Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hi. Is the seat taken?
Oh, hi. No, it's free. Please have a seat.
Thanks. I'm Benjamin, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Benjamin. I'm Selena. What are you drinking?
Just a latte. And you?
I have a chai tea. So, what's that book you're reading?
It's called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's my favorite book.
Really? I've heard of it. What's it about?
It's about a shepherd boy who follows his dreams. It's a journey of self-discovery. Really inspiring.
Sounds interesting. Who was the author again?
Paulo Coelho. He's a Brazilian author. His books are famous worldwide.
I need a new book to read. Do you recommend it?
Definitely. It's easy to read, but has a deep meaning. I think you'll like it.
Great. I'll look for it later. My favorite book is The Little Prince by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry.
Oh, I know that one. It's a beautiful story. It's not just for children, right?
Exactly. It talks about love, loss, and seeing with your heart. I've read it 3 times.
Wow. You really love it. What other books do you like?
I also like mystery novels. Agatha Christie is my favorite author in that genre.
Cool. I prefer adventure stories. Maybe you could try Life of Pi by Jan Martel. It's a great adventure with a surprising ending.
Life of Pi. Okay, I'll note that down too. Thanks for the suggestions.
You're welcome. So, why do you love reading so much?
Books take me to different worlds. I can be anyone and go anywhere. It's magic. How about you?
For me, it's about learning new things and understanding different perspectives. It makes me think.
That's true. You know, my dream is to become a famous writer one day.
Really? That's an amazing dream. What do you want to write about?
Maybe young adult stories? Stories about adventure and friendship?
That's awesome. I wish you the best of luck. I'm sure you can do it.
Thanks, Benjamin. That's very kind of you. Do you have any other hobbies besides reading?
I like hiking. Being in nature helps me relax. Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. but I prefer indoor activities, like painting.
Painting. That's cool. What kind of things do you paint?
Mostly landscapes and abstract art. It's very relaxing for me.
I'd love to see your painting sometime. Do you have any with you?
Not right now, but maybe I can show you photos on my phone later.
That would be great. So, do you have a favorite place to read?
I love reading in coffee shops. Like this one. The atmosphere is nice.
Me too. The background noise helps me concentrate. Do you listen to music while reading?
No, I prefer silence. Music distracts me. How about you?
I'm the same. I need quiet to focus on the story.
By the way, have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I just finished The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. It's about regrets and second chances.
Oh, I've heard good things about that one. Is it sad?
A little bit, but it has a hopeful ending. It made me think about my own life choices.
That sounds deep. Maybe I'll add it to my list. How long did it take you to read it?
About a week. I was busy with work, so I read slowly. Do you read every day?
I try to read for at least 30 minutes before bed. It helps me sleep better.
That's a good habit. I should try that. Sometimes I watch TV instead, but it's not the same.
I know, right? Books are more engaging. Do you have a favorite book character?
I really like Santiago from The Alchemist. He's brave and determined. How about you?
I love Elizabeth Bennet from Pride and Prejudice. She's smart and independent.
Oh, a classic. I've never read it, but I've seen the movie.
The book is much better, of course. You should give it a try.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation. Do you prefer physical books or ebooks?
I love the feel of physical books, but ebooks are more convenient for travel.
Same here. I usually buy physical books for my collection.
Do you have a big book collection at home?
Yes, I have a whole bookshelf full. My friends call me a bookworm.
That's a nice nickname. I have a small collection, but it's growing.
That's good. So, what's the next book on your list?
I think I'll start The Alchemist after your recommendation. I'm excited to read it.
I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. We can talk about it after you finish.
That would be nice. It's like having a mini book club.
Exactly. Do you have any friends who love reading too?
A few, but most of my friends prefer movies. It's hard to find reading buddies.
I know the feeling. Maybe we can be reading buddies sometimes.
I'd like that. It would be fun to discuss books together.
Definitely. So, besides fiction, do you read any nonfiction?
Sometimes I read self-help books. They can be motivating. Do you?
Not really. I prefer to escape into fictional worlds. Reality is enough for me.
I understand. Oh, look at the time. I need to go soon.
Oh, already? It was really nice talking to you, Selena.
You too, Benjamin. Let's meet here again sometime and talk more about books.
That sounds perfect. I'll see you then. Good luck with your writing dreams.
Thank you, and happy reading. Bye.
Bye, Selena.